Hi everyone. Well, I'm ready to start on my curriculum project. I've already contacted Kay and she's put my course shell out in WIDS. You can see I've logged in to WIDS and my new course is there. I can see the course number as well as the course name, and those are both links that I can click on. So I'll begin by clicking on my course name, and it brings up the course information. You can see it's expanded on the left, so I could go into all of those things. We're going to start with basic course information, which is displayed already. So I will click the Edit button found to the right. You'll see that the course number, course title, and description are there. This description is the same description that is coming from right from PeopleSoft. Now if I scroll down, I can see I can add the total number of credits, the total hours, and then I can add the type of instruction. So there's a little plus sign to the left of the Add Type of Instruction. Click that button, type in 1 credit / 18 hours, and then put in my type of instruction for this course. I will click Save. If there are multiple types of instructions, I can just click the plus sign again and do that also. As I scroll down, I can also add the instructional level, and this is associate degree, and the career cluster for which this course is going to belong. Okay, so I've done that. I've updated everything in this section. So up in the upper left, or upper right, excuse me, is the Save button. So I'll click Save, and it's saved. So we're ready to go add some more course information. So the next thing we're going to look at is Prereqs and Co-Requisites. It says no records to display and there's no buttons to click. You do need to click the Edit button found to the right in each section. So I will do that. And to add a prereq, I could click the plus sign and type if it's a prerequisite or a co. So this happens to be a prerequisite. And then I can type the course number and course name or other prerequisite. Maybe it's an AccuPlace or score right there. When you've done that, you can click Save. And I will, I'm going to put in a fake one because I don't have a prerequisite. And when I click Save, it lists that prerequisite. I can always go back in and edit it. And in my case, since I don't really have a prerequisite, I'm going to click Delete. And it will delete that for me. So that's how you work with the pre and co-requisites in WIDS. The next thing we need to enter is the textbook information. So right now, again, it says no records to display. I need to remember to go to the right and click the Edit button. And then I can click the plus sign to add the textbook. And I can just type the textbook information right here. I happen to have it in another document. And so I'm going to paste that information right into the textbook section. So I'm going to do that. So I have my one textbook. I'll click Save. If you have additional textbooks, you could click the plus sign next to Add Textbook to add additional textbooks. Again, if you noticed you did something wrong and you need to edit the information, you can do that by clicking the Edit button, or you could delete it, and the delete link is found to the right of the textbook. So that's working with textbooks. Next, we need to look at learner supplies. So I'll click Learner Supplies. No records to display. That's my little internal signal to go to the right and click the Edit button, because you can only edit after you've clicked that button. So I'll click the plus sign to click Add Learner Supply, and I can add my supplies. So in this course, one of the learner supplies is a microphone, and you have to be able to spell, or web camera. So I will click Save to save that supply. Again, I can click the plus sign to add an additional learner supply, and I will do that. I will add, they need to have access to a piece of software. And thankfully, this software is free, so I want to make a note of that. So I'll click that, I'll click Save. So you can keep adding the learner supplies. Maybe they need safety boots or whatever it is that they need. You can keep adding those. And again, I could delete them by clicking the delete link on the right, or I could edit them by clicking the edit link to the left of each item. When you're done with the learner supplies, you can click the close edit link. So we'll do that. And you can see our list is displayed. The other item you want to take a look at is grading information. Now, it's early in my course development, so I may not have this readily available. You may not. Maybe this is something you do in the end. But how you would do it when you have your grading information is you'd click Edit. It brings up a spot for you to put your grading information. I do have my grading information ready, so I'm going to paste it in from a syllabus that I have. So I place it in there, and then I can do Save and Close or just Save. So I'll click Save and Close, and it takes me out of edit mode, and I can see that grading information. So for now, we've entered all of the course information we need to enter. So that's a good start.